Welcome to Module 5, Inbound and Outbound Logistics from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain CS4CSC by KRTI. In this module, we'll explore the critical processes that move goods through your organization, covering inbound receipts, putaway, outbound deliveries, picking, goods issue, and shipment execution. These operations connect your procurement, warehouse, and customer fulfillment activities into one unified process. Inbound and outbound logistics form the backbone of supply chain execution in S/4HANA Cloud. You'll learn how materials flow into and out of the warehouse through goods receipt, putaway, picking, and shipping. Using Fiori apps, EWM Lite, and transportation management, we'll demonstrate how every movement is tracked, confirmed, and posted across logistics and finance in real time. By the end of this module, you'll be able to execute inbound and outbound logistics flows, configure delivery documents and warehouse processes, and integrate them with TM. You'll also learn to monitor key KPIs, perform end-to-end labs, and interpret logistics analytics that support both project execution and certification success. Importance in supply chain execution, inbound and outbound operations are where supply chain planning becomes reality. Accurate, timely goods receipt ensures production continuity, while efficient outbound delivery ensures on-time customer shipments. SAP Cloud unites these operations to provide complete visibility from vendor receipt to customer delivery, reducing manual effort and improving performance. Key process components. The logistics lifecycle is built on 4 key areas. First, inbound flow, from purchase order to goods receipt and putaway. Second, outbound flow, from sales order to delivery, picking, and goods issue. Third, transportation, for freight planning and shipment execution. And fourth, integration, ensuring IM, EWM, and finance stay perfectly synchronized. Inbound logistics flow, high level. The inbound process begins with procurement. A purchase order triggers the receipt of goods, which automatically generates an inbound delivery in EWM Lite. Warehouse tasks handle physical putaway, while inventory management updates the stock quantity and valuation. Lesson 5.1 will walk you through this end-to-end process. Outbound logistics flow, high level. Outbound logistics starts with a sales order. The system creates an outbound delivery that drives picking, packing, and staging operations. When the goods issue is posted, stock is reduced, and financial updates are triggered. You'll explore this complete outbound process in lessons 5.2 and 5.3. Goods issue and shipment integration. The goods issue step finalizes the outbound flow. It triggers accounting entries for inventory reduction and integrates directly with transportation management for freight planning and carrier assignment. EWM confirms the physical loading and dispatch, ensuring both system and warehouse are perfectly aligned. Warehouse Inventory Finance Link. Every movement in logistics touches multiple modules. EWM manages physical tasks, IM records quantity changes, and finance posts valuation and cost adjustments. S/4HANA Cloud automates this multi-layer synchronization to eliminate manual reconciliations, ensuring data integrity across the enterprise. Fiori app ecosystem. Throughout this module, you'll work with Fiori apps, such monitor inbound deliveries F2699, monitor outbound deliveries F2759, confirm putaway tasks F3010, confirm picking tasks F3020, and post goods issue F183. These applications give role-based, intuitive access to every step of logistics operations. Configuration elements in CBC. Configuration is managed through CBC. You'll define delivery document types, set up warehouse process types for picking and putaway, and link storage types and staging areas. The integration model between EWM Lite and TM ensures seamless delivery distribution and system automation. You'll get hands-on experience with these in upcoming labs. Common master data dependencies. Successful logistics execution depends on accurate master data. Vendors and customers must be set up as business partners extended to relevant company codes. Materials must include purchasing and sales views, and each plant and storage location must be assigned to an active warehouse number. Without these, delivery processing will fail. Analytics and KPIs in logistics. S/4HANA Cloud includes powerful logistics KPIs like inbound processing time, picking task completion rate, delivery fulfillment time, and freight cost per shipment. You'll learn to interpret these KPIs using embedded analytics and smart business dashboards to monitor performance and efficiency in real time. Integration with other modules. Logistics execution interacts with every area of the enterprise. Procurement triggers goods receipts, production consumes materials, sales initiates outbound deliveries, and TM manages shipments. All these modules are unified through standard APIs and process automation in the SAP Cloud environment. Business example. Manufacturing plant 1010. At our sample plant, materials from vendors are received, put away into bins, and later issued to production or dispatched to customers. Each movement generates corresponding warehouse and accounting documents. You'll simulate this same flow in the labs, gaining real-world implementation insight. Roles and authorizations. Role-based security ensures accountability in every operation. Warehouse clerks execute tasks, inventory managers post goods movements, transportation managers handle freight orders, and configuration experts maintain the logistics setup. Assigning correct roles is a crucial step before testing or exam preparation. Certification relevance. Inbound and outbound logistics are heavily represented in the CS4CC certification exam. You'll encounter scenario-based questions on document flow, goods issue, and TM integration. Mastering configuration and execution here directly enhances your readiness for certification success. KRTI EduLab and project exercises. To reinforce learning, you'll complete hands-on labs covering inbound deliveries, outbound picking, and shipment posting. Each exercise includes Fiori navigation, CBC configuration validation, and document flow verification. These labs simulate real project activities, ensuring you're confident before deployment or certification. Business example. Manufacturing plant 1010. At our sample plant, materials from vendors are received, put away into bins, and later issued to production or dispatched to customers. Each movement generates corresponding warehouse and accounting documents. You'll simulate this same flow in the labs, gaining real-world implementation insight.